To install our VPN, I'm going to go to Add Roles and Features. I'm going to click through up to Server Roles, and you'll see Network Policy and Access Services in the list. That is the service we'll use to create our policies. And I'm also going to click Remote Access. And we will click up through the Remote Access, and we'll get to Role Services. And I'm going to choose the top two, Direct Access and VPN. We'll add those features, and we will also choose Routing. Because our VPN appliance here does take traffic that connects from the internet and it routes it inside the network, and then the opposite when it sends it back out through the internet to the clients. So we'll select those two, and we will just install. The install is complete, so I'm just going to close that window. Now we will move into the configuration.